Hey guys, today I'm showing you a very easy Indian smoky eye look for this festive season. It's so easy to do, takes just 10 minutes and also very budget friendly. I'm just using a palette which you can get it for under rupees 300 and a kajal and a mascara that you will already have. As you can see, I have already done my base makeup. So let me give you a quick tip here. So a quick and easy way to glam up any eye look is to use a colored contact lens, and I'm using the Lens monthly contact lens. I have two shades here and the one I'm using for this look is NB green shade with zero power. They also come with power, so you can check the description for link. Also, I would suggest you guys to put on the lens before doing the base makeup. You can see clearly I forgot that. So I'll start with applying very light base color all over my lids, and this will also help in setting the concealer. You can see the difference here. I'm using this kajal for the next step, and this one is from Insight. You can also use any one that you already have, and now start lining your lids like this, and also keep a little thick so that you have product to smudge. Keep a little thin towards the inner corner, and now similarly line your waterline as well. A little thinner than the eyelid, and do a tight lining as well. Now also create a small wing at the end, we'll come to it later. Now start blending to get a blurred line and to remove that sharp line of the kajal. You can apply more kajal towards the lash to give a gradient effect. A quick tip here is, if you have to use a single brush for multiple steps, you can always clean them. Just put some micellar water in a cloth and wipe your brush in it. Now you can use it for the next step as well. For the next step, I'm taking this dark brown shade and using it on the upper end of the kajal line and blending it a little bit to actually create that transition from black to brown. Next, take a light brown shade and start blending it to create that gradation effect. Now take the next light shade and repeat the same. Blending is the key here, so use a blending brush for this. Now do the same at the lower lash line. Now use your nails to sharpen out the wing. Perfect, right? Also create a sharp point with the kajal in the inner corner. This small detail will make a lot of difference. Now is my favorite step, mascara. Try using a lash curler for that beautiful curled lash and add any mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Sky High mascara and I love this one. You can use any one that you already have. Also, don't forget to apply the mascara on the lower lash. It's very important. I'm also filling my eyebrows a little bit here. And that's it. That was very easy and quick, right? Also, how beautiful and versatile this look is. It can go with any Indian look. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to tag me in Insta if you try this look, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.